Real-life English talk, 10 airport conversations. You arrive at the airport early in the morning. Your flight is to New York. You feel a little nervous because the airport is busy and everything feels fast. You walk up to the check-in counter. You step forward and smile. This is what you say.
Good morning. I would like to check in for my flight to New York.
Good morning. May I please see your passport and your ticket confirmation?
Of course. Here is my passport, and I have the confirmation email on my phone.
Thank you. Do you have any bags that you would like to check in today?
Yes, I have one suitcase that needs to be checked in.
Please place your suitcase on the scale so I can check the weight.
I hope it is not too heavy because I packed many winter clothes.
Your suitcase is within the allowed limit, so there will be no extra charge.
That is good to hear because I was worried about overweight fees.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate number is A12 and boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you very much. Could you tell me how to get to gate A12?
You can follow the signs to security, and after that, the gate will be on your left.
I appreciate your help because this airport is very large.
You are welcome. I hope you have a pleasant flight to New York.
You've checked in your luggage, got your boarding pass, and now you're heading to security. This is where many people feel a little nervous. Do I need to take off my shoes? What about my laptop? What if the machine beeps? Let's see how this situation might sound in real life.
Hello, do I need to remove my laptop from my backpack?
Yes. Please take out your laptop and place it in a separate tray.
Should I also remove my shoes and my belt?
If you are wearing boots or a metal belt, you should remove them as well.
I understand. I will place everything in this tray carefully.
Please walk through the scanner when you are ready.
The machine made a sound. Did I do something wrong?
It is possible that you have something metal in your pocket.
I forgot that I have some coins in my jacket pocket.
Please remove the coins and walk through the scanner again.
Thank you for explaining that to me clearly.
You may now collect your belongings from the tray.
I am glad that everything is fine now.
Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy your trip.
You just finished security, and now you're looking at the departure board. Your gate number is B24, but you have no idea where that is. You spot an airport staff member and decide to ask for help.
Excuse me, could you tell me where gate B24 is located?
Gate B24 is in Terminal 2, which is about a 10-minute walk from here.
Do I need to take a shuttle train to reach Terminal 2?
No, you can walk straight down this hallway and follow the blue signs.
I am worried because my flight boards in 20 minutes.
If you walk quickly, you should arrive there on time.
Thank you for reassuring me because I was starting to feel nervous.
It is completely understandable to feel that way before a flight.
Is there a restroom near that gate?
Yes, there is a restroom and a small cafe right next to gate B24.
That is very helpful information. I appreciate it.
You are welcome. I hope you reach your gate without any trouble.
Thank you for your kindness and your clear directions.
Have a safe and comfortable flight.
You're sitting near your gate, checking your phone. Suddenly, You see the word delayed next to your flight number. You turn to the person next to you and start talking.
I just saw that our flight is delayed. Do you know what happened?
Yes, the airline announced that there is bad weather in our destination city.
That is disappointing because I have an important meeting tomorrow morning.
I understand your concern, but safety is always the airline's priority.
Do you know how long the delay will last?
The screen says the new departure time is 6:45 this evening.
That means we will be waiting here for almost 2 more hours.
Perhaps we can find a quiet place to sit and charge our phones.
That sounds like a good idea because my phone battery is low.
There is a charging station near the coffee shop across the hall.
Thank you for suggesting that. It will make the wait more comfortable.
We can also check if the airline offers meal vouchers for the delay.
That would be helpful because I am starting to feel hungry.
Let us go to the service desk and ask for more information.
You're sitting near the gate waiting for your flight. People are standing up and lining up. You hear an announcement about boarding. You check your boarding pass to see your group number.
They just announced boarding for our flight. Should we line up now?
Yes, passengers in Group 3 are allowed to board at this time.
I believe our boarding passes say Group 3 as well.
That means we can join the line after those passengers in front of us.
I hope there is enough space in the overhead bin for my carry-on bag.
Usually there is enough space if you board early in your group.
I packed carefully because I did not want to check another suitcase.
That was a smart decision. It can save you extra baggage fees.
I am excited about this trip because I have never visited this country before.
Traveling to a new country is always an exciting experience.
I am looking forward to trying the local food and exploring the city.
I am sure you will enjoy it very much.
Thank you for sharing this moment with me.
Let us show our boarding passes and step onto the plane.
You're standing in line, ready to board. Everyone is moving forward. You reach into your bag to grab your boarding pass, but it's not there. Your heart beats a little faster. Then you turn to your friend.
I cannot find my boarding pass anywhere in my bag.
Did you check your jacket pocket or your phone wallet case?
I looked in those places, but it does not seem to be there.
Do you have the airline's mobile app on your phone?
Yes, I downloaded it yesterday before coming to the airport.
You can log in and download a digital boarding pass from the app.
That is a relief because I was afraid I would miss my flight.
Even if that does not work, the airline can print another one for you.
I am glad that there is a solution to this problem.
Traveling can be stressful, but there is usually a simple answer.
Thank you for helping me stay calm in this situation.
You are welcome. I hope you find the digital pass quickly.
I just found it on the app, and it shows the correct gate.
That is great news. Now you can relax and enjoy the trip.
You've arrived early at your gate, and you realize you're a little hungry before you boarding. Let's see how you might order something quickly and politely.
I would like to order a sandwich and a bottle of water, please.
Certainly. Would you like white bread or whole wheat bread?
I prefer whole wheat bread because it feels healthier.
That is a good choice. Would you like anything else with your meal?
I think I will also take a small coffee.
Your total comes to $12.50.
I will pay with my credit card.
Please insert your card into the machine and follow the instructions.
Thank you. Could you tell me where I can find some napkins?
The napkins and utensils are on the counter near the window.
I appreciate your help because I am in a bit of a hurry.
Do not worry. Your flight should still have plenty of time before boarding.
That makes me feel better about stopping for food.
Enjoy your meal and have a pleasant journey.
You check your ticket and notice you need to change terminals in Chicago. You're not completely sure how it works, so you decide to ask for help.
I have a connecting flight in Chicago. Do I need to change terminals?
Yes, you will need to transfer from Terminal 1 to Terminal 3.
Is the connection time of 1 hour enough?
If your first flight arrives on time, you should have enough time.
I am concerned because I have never changed terminals before.
There is a free airport train that runs every few minutes.
That sounds convenient and easy to use.
The signs are clearly marked, so it should not be confusing.
Will I need to go through security again?
In most cases, you will not need to go through security a second time.
Thank you for explaining everything in detail.
You are welcome. I hope your connection goes smoothly.
I feel much more confident after talking with you.
I am glad I could help you prepare for your next flight.
You are traveling with your mother, and the airport feels big and crowded. You want to make sure she is comfortable and safe.
Excuse me, I need assistance because my mother cannot walk long distances.
Of course, we can arrange a wheelchair service for her.
That would be very helpful since our gate is far from the entrance.
Please wait here while I contact the assistance team.
Thank you for responding so quickly to my request.
The wheelchair attendant will arrive in about 5 minutes.
I am grateful for your kindness and understanding.
It is our responsibility to ensure all passengers are comfortable.
Will someone also help us during boarding?
Yes, the attendant will assist you until you are safely seated on the plane.
That makes me feel much more relaxed about traveling.
We are happy to support you throughout the process.
Thank you again for your excellent service.
I hope you and your mother have a smooth and pleasant flight.
After a long flight, you finally arrive in a new country. Now it's time to speak with the immigration officer.
Good evening. Here's my passport and my arrival card.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit to this country?
I am visiting for tourism and plan to stay for 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
I have booked a hotel in the city center.
Do you have a return ticket to your home country?
Yes, my return flight is scheduled for the 25th of this month.
Have you visited this country before?
This is my first time visiting, and I am very excited.
Please place your fingers on the scanner for identification.
Certainly, I hope everything is correct.
Everything looks fine. I will stamp your passport now.
Thank you very much for your assistance.
Welcome to our country and enjoy your stay.
Thanks for watching. If these airport conversations helped you, please subscribe and join us for more real-life English. See you in the next video.